hello. Everybody on Twitch, say hello to YouTube. It's like one weird, think of it as like a family reunion. But yes, we're gonna be checking out ENHYPEN Dark Blood concept trailer. I've been hearing good things about it. I heard Sunghoon has been popping. I mean, he always been popping. He's the ice skating prince. I was gonna say king, but prince. ENHYPEN Dark Blood concept trailer. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Captions on? No captions. All right, we're going forward. Is this black and white? Oh, it is black and white.
This is a story about pride and oblivion.
Oh, what?
Love.
This girl trapped?
And faith.
Oh, maybe that was because it was her face.
If
That's
you
why it looks
wish
like a face.
to escape
What is happening?
from this twist
Whose feet?
of faith,
Your feet?
remember these 2 words.
What's happening?
Bite me.
Bite me? What? Hey! Excuse me? Damn, this was filmed very nicely, actually. Ooh. I got to see ENHYPEN actually very up close at Weebridge in Las Vegas. Shout out to Weebridge for bringing me out. But my God.
Reppin' 82, I'm in Salt City.
Is Jake beautiful? He was talking the most, so I was looking at him the most. Anyways. Oh. Not the moving fast sound. What was that? That was green eyes. What in the film student short film? Very well. What a transition. What a, my God. What a transition that was. A horse? Who riding that horse? Ah, I see. Wait, who's in a motorcycle actually? Is it just like... Ooh, oh, he's blocking him off? What the f... Is he Dracula? He's wearing Prada though. Yo!
Round 1.
So he's protecting the girl?
Fight!
Oh shit! Okay, fighting scene. Whoa. Okay, these looks are killing though. God dang. Okay. Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon kind of movement. I gotta repeat it back. I'm gonna be repeating a lot back. Damn, what in the Kill Bill? Final Strike looking. Look at that form. Look at that form, y'all. I know homie just like probably plopped. I don't think he's dead though. But look at that form. Damn, that red and black contrast looks nice. I mean, not like me. Oh. We just sleeping upside down like vampires, which they are. Hold up. This is part of my mic is like showing. Let me fix that. And we don't have captions. If someone could like explain to me this trailer is about afterwards when I'm done, that'll be helpful, chat. Oh. So he's like a caretaker? Or... Someone said she looks like Hani. I was about to say that, but I wasn't really sure. Aw. Oh, what he said. He's just entertaining her. What is that? Oh, like puppet shadows. Yeah, them shit's cool.
다 나 때문이야.
But what about like an iPhone or iPad? You know what I'm saying? Internet. Damn, that's a lot of pineapples.
내가 좀 더 강했더라면.
Them sliced pineapples, bro. I can't. You know, to be honest, I can't really eat a lot of pineapples. They kind of like itch my throat a little bit. Like not my throat, my lips or tongue. My tongue gets itchy. Damn. Okay, I was about to say they left homie like that stranded. That's messed up. Hey, where'd you get cut though? Oh, you fake. Whoa. Damn, ain't that visual right there? Oh, he got 2 swords. Oh, the next, it's like some Kill Bill shit.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
He said run. Better run. Ooh. Let's go. Ooh. Okay. We out here. Oh, look at his. He saw that trick. Look. This is me with the sword, but if I was doing that same exact thing, that's exactly what he did. He did that. Look, watch.
Don't do it.
Same thing. Ooh. Who's slapping some butt? Not beat. Ooh. Oh, wait, hold up. Ducked under that. Let's go. Oh shit. Oh no, girl, don't do that. I mean, running in snow is hard. Oh, what's happening? Oh no. Oh. Oh, he got him. Aw. I'm kind of rooting for all the boys. Oh, he's keeping them though. Oh shit! He said, "You coming with me?" Oh no, is Jay the bad guy? I don't know what's happening actually, but you gotta blame. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, what? Oh, that's kind of disgusting. Ugh. Damn, you good? Everybody good? What's up? They're just feeding off him. Yeah. Take their power.
어리석은 실수를 반복한 후에야 겨우 알게 된 것. 너로 인해 내가 시작되었다는 것. 모든 것을 바쳐 이제 다시 너에게로 돌아간다. 모든 힘과 권능은 너에게로 돌아가는 것이 맞으니까.
Oh, what the hell?
Fight
She
me.
said, "Yummy, me too, girl." Oh, but she crying. Obviously.
바이바이.
Bye bye. Oh, she going into the sun?
사랑.
You said sarang? Oh shit. The sunlight hurts. Then what the hell is she? She don't. Wait, is she a hybrid? What is. That was a pretty good animation. Good graphics. What the f... Alright, y'all. Someone need wait, it's not done yet. But someone wait, it's not done yet. One more minute, and then please
너는 나의 어둠을
send me your
걷어가는
explanations. Oh damn, this looks like a Calvin Klein commercial.
해도 언제까지나 널 기다릴 것이다.
Oh, now they have subtitles? Oh, it's backwards. Ooh, that's a nice shot. Ooh. It's better than Twilight. You're right. Hey, it's your boy JRE on the track. Keep on going, out of whack, out of back. Hit that back, hit it from the back. Wait, what'd you say? I don't know, but JRE rapping on the flow. Keep on going, never stopping, always going on the go. I was gonna eat that shit up, but they didn't let me. It's a must to see their let me see Instagram. ENHYPEN. Should I go to ENHYPEN's Instagram? Excuse you, Jake. Okay, Jake. You got the hair down this time. You don't even look recognizable sometimes. My God, god damn. Look, a beautiful creature right here. He's some Mr. All-Arounder. Very good, very good. Dang, looking like some anime like sidekick. That's fucked up. He's not just a sidekick. He looks like an anime main character. It's the hair. It looks like some Dragon Ball Z-ish. Looks like Gohan when he was like 20 something. This man dangerous, bro. Isn't he still underage? Man, get out of my face, Nikki. Nikki. You fiend. You a monster. You so talented. You got so much talent in you. You don't even realize. And you got the looks and the height. And you got the voice. What else do you want, Nikki? What else do you want? He is the king. Real talk. He was such a sweetheart. He was such a sweetheart. I was able to do a high touch. He was pretty fire. It was pretty fire, bro. I don't know how else to explain it. It said that when the members met, they did rock, paper, scissors, or something like that, and Jungwon lost, so they merged into Jungwon's body, which why you saw different members every fight scenes. Oh, okay. Yeah, the highlights are kind of fire. They look good. They look really good. Ooh, here we go. Sunghoon. Man, look like a Final Fantasy character. If you don't, you better stop. Dang. Let's go, vampire boys. Dang! You tell me that's Jake? You tell me that's Jake? God damn. What's up, Sodu? Okay. Royalty right here. Damn, them earrings be fire though, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if I'll ever get another piercing. Maybe I should. But I don't know. I don't think little nose piercing maybe. Maybe not. Let me focus on my finances first. God dang! You too! Get sir.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Dang, with the mullet haircut too? Looks nice. Looks nice on him. I mean, I'm pretty sure a lot of people probably don't like this. I don't know why I would say that, but or like assume people would not like that, but I kind of mess with like I feel like the weird messy hair, but with like a pretty boy works very well. It's because they're beautiful. Because if I were to have like a mullet like that, I don't think I could pull it off. It's like mullety. I don't think it's like a full mullet though. It's a mullet tendency. Jay is shirtless? Is he? How come I never noticed that? Man, that's not what is that's not shirtless. Oh, at the end? Okay.
It's not really shirtless though. It's not really shirtless.
Not like I'm looking for shirtless, but you know when I'm asking like when you say shirtless, it better be like, ah. Yeah, I mean he look like he's still wearing stuff. I can't say he's shirtless. Why am I even arguing with myself about this? And it says, especially of a man, okay, wearing no clothes above the waist. He is in definition not shirtless, but he do look good.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.